to go over the idea in this video, I'm gonna reference an analogy that my mentor made for this. So imagine you live in a world where there's two people. One of them is Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm actually reading a biography by him right now, which is why I'm gonna use him. But let's say we have an Arnold Schwarzenegger. He exercises for 5 hours a day. He lifts weights. He goes to the gym at different times. He eats 5,000 calories. He eats a very good diet, does a ton of research on the best nutrients to get, on the best diet to have, on the best exercises, how, to maximize muscle performance, how to maximize strength, how to maximize recovery, the best posing to get the best look out of it when he's competing. Dedicates his entire life to bodybuilding, his entire life to getting in shape. Let's say runs, 5K a day, whatever. Dedicates his entire life to getting in shape. Now, imagine another guy. Let's name him Bob. Bob is the opposite of Arnold. He sits on the couch all day. He watches TV. He eats Doritos, junk food, ice cream. He doesn't pay attention to anything on his diet. He doesn't exercise at all. He's very sediment lifestyle. Now, despite this, Bob has the physique of a bodybuilder. He has a Roman, like a Roman god figure. He's super in shape. He can run 10K without getting tired. But all he has done is sit on the couch and watch TV and eat junk food. Now imagine Arnold, who has put in all of this input to become an amazing bodybuilder, a very fit person. And he has a gut. He is very physically out of shape. He doesn't have any muscles, and he's just very unhealthy. Now, the idea behind this is the world that we live in, and this is a quote from Warren Buffett. This is transition very nicely to what I'm talking about. A quote from him. He said, "The world is not yet enough crazy place to award unrewarding people of success." So we live in a world, and this is the law of nature. This is the law of the universe. Our inputs are directly related to our outputs. Now, with that being said, the idea of getting rich quick, that is something that people throughout society have always found appealing. And there's a reason behind this. I don't have this book in my books here, but actually, Hormozzi's equation, what is it called? It's an equation of four things. It's like the time to do something, the effort to do something, there's four separate things. And basically, you want to make it very easy to do with limited input and the time to do it very, very quick. Or the perceived value. And so people throughout time have always been enamored with the idea of get rich quick, where you don't have to do much. It happens in a very short amount of time and you get very, very wealthy from it. And this idea of getting rich quick is something that has been grotesquely painted onto all of the content we consume in this realm, right? And I'm going to refer to this realm as, let's say, online business, self-improvement, all of this. And the idea of getting rich quick is non-existent to 99.9%. And there's a lottery approach to life. That's a whole nother idea I'm not going to talk about in this video. But you are never going to have something reliable that is a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, for the instance of this, for the AI agency, you're going to use the AI agency as an example. The AI agency is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Every business model online, people paint in the way where they sell you the dream. They say, oh yeah, AI, people are running off the shelves. You can sell to a mom and pop shop, $5,000, AI receptionist. Everyone needs one. Everyone wants one. Blah, 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 blah. You can go up to say the word AI and they'll give you their bank account. Like, no. It's not how it works. It's not how it works. And you're going to see this so much. I mean, this is a big point about me. There's the trust recession is happening. I made a video on this specifically for AI, but for online business, same thing. Trust recession is happening. People are lying, right? They're just trying to sell you the dream. They're trying to sell you courses. And secondly, with AI, we don't know if anything is real or authentic anymore. With me, myself, I want to be as authentic. I want to be as genuine. I want to be as real as possible for everything I do, for the information that I give, for my opinions. I'm never going to say something that I don't truly believe just to, potentially make money, potentially get more subscribers, all of this. I don't care. I believe at the end of the day, if I always lead with a genuine, idea, with what's the word? Like with the end in mind, with genuinity being the end in mind, I will be rewarded for it in a positive way, right? And even a further idea, right? Gap in the market. Nobody's like this because everyone's trying to sell you a course, right? This whole idea, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to give as much value as I possibly can so you yourself are better equipped for whatever it is that you're doing. If it's an AI agency, if it's life, I've dedicated my life so far to learning and doing the stuff that people don't do and doing the hard things that is gold, right? In this world of comfort and in this world of everything. Anyways, off topic. But you hear this all the time. Nothing is a get rich quick scheme. Nothing. I'm telling you this right now. AI agency is the same thing. This is going to be hard. You embarking on this, if you're starting your AI agency, this is going to be hard. You're going to start this, right? If you're from zero, and I was just talking to a guy here, Modher, if you're watching this, you better be watching this. I told you I was going to be making this. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to make, an idea about you. So Modher, he was telling me, he's like, hey, Liam, and very good question, by the way. His mind is in the right idea. He already understands this isn't a get rich quick scheme. He asked me, he's like, hey, Liam, like, from your perspective, if you were starting at zero, say you had no experience, what am I in for? I know there's going to be challenges. What are the challenges I'm in for? What are the obstacles? What are the stuff I'm going to have to learn? What is the correct timelines? I love that question. And the idea behind this is that there's going to be so much stuff. And I tell people, and I see this in my Discord community too a lot. People ask questions along the line of, hey, like, have you guys, let's say, or, I want input on people. You guys have been running this for more than 3 months. Have you guys made all your money back yet? 3 months. You are learning a skill, you're learning a business model, and you're expecting to get a complete ROI with ROI in the future in 3 months. Unfortunately, that is not the world we live in. That would be incorrect outputs for our inputs that we are putting in. And so when you embark on this journey, on the AI agency journey, on the online journey, and you truly want results, you are going to have to put in a lot of effort, and it's going to be a rocky ride to get to where you are finally profitable. I see this reel. It's a reel template that goes viral quite often. And it's like, there's no shortcut. You owe the game at least 2 years before you see real money. I believe that. I'm already on 1.3 years. And I still haven't, I'm still not profitable. I mean, I've made money, but not profitable yet. But I've also spent a lot of money to gain those foundations, right? I talk about the foundations a lot. And so there's going to be a huge journey for you from zero to, let's say, make your first 10K month. And secondly, the skills you are going to learn are going to be so beneficial for you in your whole life, but in a way, it's going to replace the idea of you getting rich quick. So for me, myself, let's say 15 months ago me is a completely different person. I have read over, like 50, 60 plus books in that time. The knowledge I've gained from these books, and I pick good books. I listen to a lot of people. One of my mentors have read thousands of books. One of his goals is to read 10,000 books before he dies. Almost all of these books, I'd say 80% of them are all my mentor's recommendations. Stuff like Influence, that's a sales book. It actually is a recommendation from him, but it's way longer down the line. He sets it up in a good way. But anyways, the skills I have learned from this part, despite me spending, over $20,000, I think the figure is around 21,000 exactly. Me spending over $20,000, I have gained so much skill. I have gained so much life. I have gained so much perspective, so much experience. I am a completely new person, despite me, or how can I say this? I've had so much success in my life. I've had so much success from 15 months ago me to now that I believe that I have already gotten an ROI on my money. Now, this perception is going to differ from person to person, obviously, but I believe I have already hit an ROI just with the journey that I've had within this. And so the idea that I'm trying to hit home here, I guess, you're not going to get rich quick. This is going to be a hard, long journey. This is going to take you probably up to a year. Now, if you have sales experience is the one thing that I think if you're really good at sales, it can take you much, much less. And I've actually seen this. One of the people who joined my Discord, we were also helping him along the way, like running his ads and stuff. So he got like extra boost, but he joined. When did he join? I believe he joined January, and he's already making a lot of money through, he's not running an AI agency, but he's running a very similar business model, not very similar business model, but he's running a lot of the same stuff that we do. And he's made money. He's made a lot of money, but he's had so much experience. He's been in that game for 10 years. He did it in like 4 months, 3 months, 4 months. So that's the only exception. But if you're starting at zero, assuming all of us are starting very relatively close to zero, it's going to be a long journey, but the skills you learn along the way is something that you're going to have to internalize. You're not going to potentially make money right off the bat, but you are going to learn so much stuff. You're going to have so much experience, so much perspective, so much skill, knowledge. You're going to be a completely transformed person that is going to forever serve you. Sales experience is going to forever serve you. Man, if you're good at sales, if you know how to talk to people, if you know how to get your way with something, holy cow. Like, it's not just an AI agency thing. It's going to serve you forever. So you may not get money right at the beginning, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a long process. But if you can stick around for that process, you're going to reap so many benefits. The benefits that you reap are going to completely change your life, and it's going to set you up for the future, right? These are going to act as your foundations. Talk about the foundations a lot, right? You need to internalize this. You need to double down on this. And you doing this, you're going to learn the foundations. You're going to have a foundation to build upon that is going to bring you success later, right? The success comes later. It doesn't come 3 months after you've discovered a brand new business model that everyone is wanting, every mom and pop shop wants. It's the journey and the skills that you learn along the way that are going to arguably set you up for more success than money ever could, and will set you up for the success that comes from the side of money. So TLDR, right? Starting an AI agency, it's not get rich quick, but if you can stick around for the hard journey that's ahead, you're going to be so glad you did. If I could tell myself, my 18-year-old self, 1.3 years ago, to stick with it, I would tell him to stick with it. I would tell him to do maybe a few things differently, obviously. But arguably, right, I'm so glad on the journey I took. And this can be you, right? But you have to realize, you have to realize you're not going to make a lot of money right off the bat. You are going to learn the skills that is going to set you up for the money, but that's going to come later. So I'm repeating myself quite a bit here. The idea stands, right? Not to get rich quick, but if you can stay along for the hard journey ahead, you're going to be benefited from it. So really internalize that. Very, very, very important thing when you're considering, running an AI agency, when you are running an AI agency. And thank you guys for watching. And this is very, very valuable. Pay attention to this. And I will see you in the next one.